Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with lesson 12, clothing. So let us revise what we learned yesterday. We learned about the need for clothes. We need clothes to cover our body. And we also learned about the different types of clothes worn in the family. These are the clothes worn by the men of the family. These clothes are worn by the women of the family, and these by the children. Now children, when they go to school, they wear school uniform. हम स्कूल तो कलर ड्रेस में या इन कपड़ों में नहीं आ सकते. So for school we need school uniform. Then we also learnt about people wearing special uniforms, and they also do special work. Like police, they protect us. Doctor, they take care of us and cure our diseases. Astronaut, they go into the space. Nurses, they take care of the patients in the hospital, and lawyer. Now see, they all are wearing different clothes. So from their clothes we can make out that to which profession यानी वो क्या काम करते हैं. अगर हम किसी को देखें ये ड्रेस पहने तो वी विल इमीडिएटली अंडरस्टैंड, तुरंत समझ जाएंगे कि ये नर्स है. अगर हम किसी को ऐसे इतने बड़े वाइट कोट में देखें तो हम समझ जाएंगे क्या, ये डॉक्टर है. किसी को अगर ऐसे ब्लैक कोट में देखें विद दिस बो सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग तो हमें पता लग जाता है कि ये लॉयर यानी कि वकील हैं. और पुलिसमैन तो हमें आजकल भी सब जगह दिखते हैं ना, हमारी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए कि हम बाहर नहीं घूमें. सो दीज आर स्पेशल uniforms which they wear when they are on their work. So let's continue. Clothes worn in different seasons. Now we have major 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy seasons. और इन तीनों seasons में, seasons मतलब मौसम, इन तीनों seasons में हम अलग अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं. आपने किसी को देखा समर में स्वेटर पहन के घूमते हुए? नहीं ना. विंटर में किसी को देखा है कि बस एक पतली सी शर्ट और शॉर्ट्स पहन के घूमते हुए? नहीं. और बारिश में यूं ही बारिश हो रही है और हम बस जो कपड़े पहने हुए उसमें घूम रहे? नहीं. सो देयर आर 3 मेजर सीजन्स और हम उन सब में अलग अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं. एंड सीजन चेंजेस फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. अभी जैसे समर सीजन चल रहा है, देन रेनी सीजन विल स्टार्ट, एंड वंस द रेनी सीजन स्टॉप्स इन September, winter season will start. We wear different clothes in different seasons. There are 3 major seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. In summer, we wear light colored cotton clothes. In summer season, they keep us cool. So हम summers में ऐसे light color के कपड़े पहनते, cotton के. Okay, so why? Because they keep us cool. If we start wearing thick clothes in summer, we will sweat a lot. Sweat means बहुत पसीना आएगा, बहुत गर्मी लगेगी. We get cotton from cotton plant. So this you see flowers. Can you see this white? ये वाला. This is also called कपास in Hindi. है ना, हमें कपास के पौधे से ही कॉटन मिलता है. In winter, we wear thick woolen clothes. In winter season, they keep us warm. So in winter season, we wear, see, sweaters, long coats, jackets, sweaters, caps, scarf, gloves, socks. So we cover ourselves with thick woolen clothes. Why? Because they keep us warm. अगर ठंडी में हम ये वाले कपड़े पहनेंगे तो हमें सर्दी लग जाएगी, बुखार आ जाएगा, we'll fall sick. इसीलिए when the winter season starts, आपको स्कूल में भी कहा जाता है you should wear sweater and come, wear your scarf, wear your caps, है ना. इसीलिए winter start होते ही we must protect ourselves. We should start wearing woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are made up of wool. ये किन से बनते हैं? ये wool से बनते हैं. We get wool from sheep. See, sheep की जो ये फर है, जो स्किन के ऊपर जो फर होता है उसको काटते हैं, फिर उसके धागे बना के मोटे से, फिर उसी से wool बनता है. So we get wool from sheep. Now in rainy season, अगर रेनी सीजन में हम ये कपड़े पहन के ऐसे ही घूमने निकले, then we'll get wet. When it rains, we use raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. Okay, this is a raincoat, umbrella, gumboots to protect our feet from getting wet. They protect us from getting wet. They are made of plastic or rubber. So हम ये यूज़ करने से हम क्यों बच जाते हैं? Why don't we get wet? Because they are made up of plastic or rubber. तो प्लास्टिक और रबर ऊपर से गीले होते हैं. So they keep us dried from inside. That's why we don't get wet. We get rubber from rubber plant. Now rubber is also, ये देखो, this is a rubber tree. Now what happens? इसमें कट लगाते हैं and they keep a bowl, कटोरा जैसे रख देते. See, this is tied to the tree's bark and then the rubber, जिसे गोंद भी कहते हैं, gets collected in this bowl and then they take it to the factory and process it. फिर उससे रबर या प्लास्टिक बनाते हैं, फिर उससे रेनकोट, अम्ब्रेला और गम्बूट्स बनते हैं. Clothes for special occasions. Now when we go to a party, wedding, or if it is a festival, do we wear the simple clothes? No. Then we wear special clothes like lehenga choli, sari, coat and trousers, suit. We all dress up. We wear special clothes on special occasions like festivals, wedding, birthday parties, etc. Festivals means tyohar like Eid, Holi. We don't wear new clothes on Holi because they will get spoiled, but definitely Diwali. Then there is Dashera. We wear clothes like sari, lehenga choli, kurta pajama, suit, trousers, shirt, coat, etc. on such occasions. Now these are early men. Now see what kind of cloth is he wearing? Is he wearing normal clothes like us? No. He is wearing an animal skin. So early man used to cover their body with animal skin or tree leaves, because at that time they did not know the use of cotton to weave clothes like this. So what they used to do, they used to hunt the animals का शिकार करते थे and they used to remove their skin and make their clothes to cover their body. Care of clothes. We should take care of our clothes properly. Our clothes should be washed properly. The storage space should be free from insects. Now we have to learn to take care of our clothes. Now what all are important? That our clothes should be washed properly. अच्छे से धोए. Storage space, that means our almirah or cupboard where we keep our clothes should be free from insects, वरना वो हमारे कपड़े खराब कर देंगे. Always iron your clothes with care. Whenever you are ironing, you are too small to iron. When mama or papa does it for you, they should do it with care. Too much heat, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म आयरन होगा, it will ruin our clothes. Ruin means बिगाड़ देगा. See this cloth, ये जल गया. Always wear neat and clean clothes. Clothes should be dried completely before you store them. So we should always wear neat and clean clothes. Dirty and shabby clothes nahi. And when we are storing our cloth, means कपड़े धो दिए, सुखा दिए, अब उन्हें रखना है, we should always check that they are dried completely, पूरी तरह से सूखे हों. Otherwise the clothes can be attacked by the insects. Now let us revise. Clothing is one of our basic needs. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, rain, cold, dust and insects. So these both points I taught you yesterday. We wear different clothes in different seasons. We have different clothes for all different seasons. And what are the three main seasons? Summer, winter and rainy season. We wear special clothes on special occasions like festival parties. We must take care of our clothes properly. Now students, we'll be discussing the exercise. Now this is help Jenny getting ready for her birthday party. Now Jenny is a girl, she wants to get ready for her birthday party. Draw a circle around the things she should wear. वो जो भी पहन सकती है, ठीक है? So first she will choose a gown, earring, her footwear, then some accessories for her hair. She can also choose to wear a crown and she can carry a purse. Now here is a list of clothes given and she is Molly. She doesn't know when to wear which clothes. So we have to separate it for her. Okay, I'll send you the exercise. No need of copying from here. Now, identify the following people by their uniform. So looking at her, we get to know that she's a doctor. Looking at him, we get to know he is a police. This man is a lawyer. And this lady, she is a nurse. Now this is fun activity. Read and color. If you have color at your home, you can color it. Color the skirt red. Color the shirt blue. Color the shoes brown. Color the hat pink. Color the trousers yellow. And this is whatever is your favorite dress. If you can draw, you can do it. And do this in your free time. I hope you have understood the chapter. After you see the video, please read the chapter once again. Thank you.